Welcome. In front of me I have WIKO View Go and XIAOMI AIRDots 2, and I'm going to show you how to connect this to the device. So at the first you have to open Bluetooth settings on your WIKO, so enable Bluetooth, then click and hold to enter Bluetooth settings, and click to pair new device. Right now open charging case of your AirDots. When the indicators are not blinking on white color, we have to move them into the pairing mode manually, so you have to click and hold both buttons just like that. As you can see, indicator starts blinking, so they will appear on the list after a few moments. Just be patient. Here they are, so tap on them. And as you can see, after a few moments we are connected. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.